So the cat got a new toy in today. We're going to open it up, take a look at it, and then see how the cat enjoys it. This is a interactive hunting pouch cat toy. It has a little ball that the cat will play with. We're going to get it opened up, kind of take a look at it, then we're going to see how the cat enjoys it. Now this ball is chargeable. It will move around and vibrate, and I don't know what all. Lights up and blinks, and it kind of, it just kind of jumped. Let me put this on here so I can hold it and you can be able to see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that spinning. It kind of goes all over the place. Woo. I think the cat's going to get a kick out of that one for sure. We turn that back off. It has the power button on the ball. You kind of have to look for it. It's a little bit hidden, but it's there. Has a USB charging cord. Oh, it does have the USB port right here that you can plug it in and charge it. Just use a regular charging block like for your phone or something like that. That's pretty cool. Let's see what this looks like. Whoa, okay. That's kind of like those windshield sun visor things. Flips around and pop it open. Anyway, there you go. It's kind of a little pad right here. I just remembered this does have 3 modes on it, so you power it on, it's on, and then you can push it once for the second mode. And push it again for the third mode. Kind of a vibrating, it changes colors, that way you'll know what modes you're in, or know that you changed modes rather. And what you're going to do is you turn it on, get it going. Then it's got a little pocket in the pad here. You just basically put that ball in there. And it's not, look at that. It'll move around in here. Kind of hard to see. Let's go see what the cat will do with it. That should be interesting. Plus you can take this ball out and just put it out on the open floor. And it'll go crazy. It's kind of neat. Anyhow, let's go see what the cat thinks about it. Fold that up, make it smaller. Oh, and it does have a auto power off, so if the cat gets bored with it and wants to leave it alone, it will turn off, and that'll save that battery in it. Just thought I'd let you know that.
What is that? What is it?
Mm-hmm. Well, I think the cat thinks it is a thumbs up. I think he's going to enjoy it a lot. There you have it. That's it. If you'd like to get one of those for yourself, or actually for your cats, I will put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. I am Amazon Associates. Any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.